Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Here you can see in this picture, and it is very same to everyone's life. And you can see here is a small girl riding a cycle from the mud, and the background is very good. He's in jungle. I hope that there is many trees, and it is a picture. What is a picture of every children's life? It is a childhood picture. If the girl is making fun with his cycle, it is in rainy day. I am seeing that there is muddy road, and he's riding his cycle. He's very enjoying, and I also enjoy it in my childhood, and I love to see this picture. And there is mud in all of his body. His body is covered with mud, and the guard is very careful about his safety. He's wearing helmets and knee guard. I like this, and he is wearing cares for his safety. And he's making too fun. He's riding his cycle in mud, and he's making too fun. It is a picture of everybody's childhood, so I like it very much. So that's all.